Engine start checklist.
Alright.
Ground America 721, heavy's on Charlie, going to Delta 5 X-ray.
Hairpins.
Removed, stowed.
All doors.
Closed, no lights.
Passenger cabin.
None.
Charlie Golf.
Safety belts.
Set
Seats.
left.
Right. Thrust levers.
Idle.
Left and right engine switches.
2 run.
Parking brake.
Set.
Strobe switch.
Is on.
Golf right on Juliet.
Okay, smoking seatbelt switch, not necessary.
Yep.
Starter, clear on the right.
Chocks are removed, right?
Yep.
Good. And right is clear. Thank you. Starting right.
Ground American 864.
American 864, Charlotte.
Okay, we got
Sure, it's still 2037.
and 1 and 2. Fuel flow.
2040. Time now is 32.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Okay, good start on the right. Left side is clear. Starting number 1.
American 864, left turn on Charlie, full length, runway 18 left. American 864, you can continue left turn on Charlie for runway 18 left.
Alright, left turn on Charlie to 18 left, American 864.
Super Tug 7, Alpha 4, Alpha, Alpha 3 to the hangar.
Alpha 4, Alpha 3 to hangar. Ground Blizzard 5171, spot 32 with Tango.
Okay, 2 good starts.
Spot 32, say again your number.
And we got 3 generators. That's good.
Spot 32, Tango.
651, 71 for now, hold the spot. I'll have a sequence here for you in a moment.
Alright, holding at 32, Blizzard 5171. Ground Blue Streak 5350 is on Charlie.
350, Charlie ground, taxi via Charlie, and ramp at Charlie 11.
Alright, Charlie, then ramp at Charlie 11 from Blue Streak 5350.
Okay, ready for forward taxi checks.
Alright. Yaw damps on. Anti-ice is in test. Aux pump is in auto. Wing flaps selected 10. And
Confirmed.
gust lock.
Removed.
Flight controls.
Checked and free.
Flight spoilers.
Checked and stowed.
Ground spoilers.
Checked and auto.
Nose wheel steering.
Is on.
Parking brake.
Set.
And
Well, we'll
taxi
release
lights
them.
black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got Tango.
Alright, I'm on number 1.
Number 1.
Ground hello American 3325, 23 south.
3325, but you can't make the right turn on Romeo. Be right on Romeo, left turn on Juliet, and hold short of Charlie.
Right Romeo, left Juliet, hold short Charlie, American 3325.
Ground Challenger, November 251 Foxtrot, Tango's at Wilson Air Center, rated taxi with Tango.
Number 251 Foxtrot, Tango, Charlie, runway 18 left, taxi via Delta.
18 left via Delta, 2151 Fox Tango.
Okay, taxi lights on. Brakes released. Right side's clear?
Yep.
Right. Looks like we'll go left. Okay.
Hey, ground team, 5946.
5946, Charlotte.
Yeah, we just pushed, we've already taxied.
We're good on the right, right?
All good.
See if we can
Thank
get the
you.
left side.
5946, it's going to be runway 18 center.
Alright, roger.
Alright, you can take the brakes.
Brakes good.
Aye, brakes.
Ground Blue Streak 5350, Ram wants to know if we can take Charlie 12.
6350
Right,
Charlie
sounds
12
clear.
approved.
Okay.
Charlie 12 approved, Blue Streak 5350, thanks.
Ready for the taxi checks.
Alright,
Okay, brakes and nose wheel steering.
checked. Reversers will be checked in a second.
Okay, flight instruments. Got takeoff speeds are set up to 8,000. Altimeters, all three set. Both in pink needles. Transponder and is 5707, correct? TARA. Got terrain on both sides. Fuel quantity is good, balanced. Any ice is off. Engine instruments are in the green, and one bugs are set. Nav equipment, we're both in pink needles. Takeoff data we already reviewed and verified, and we already did the takeoff brief.
Sounds good.
Line up to go.
Yeah.
So one of these C-17s fly over the hotel this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I've seen it.
29 Charlie, ready taxi with information, Tango.
And these are pretty nimble,
7 Charlie, 18 left.
even though they're massive.
18 left via Charlie, envoy 34.
Yeah, need airplanes.
Oh, that's a nice livery for the American over there, the green one.
Ground American 1722, 23
Yeah, that's
south
cool.
with Tango.
Max 1722 Charlotte, make the right turn onto Romeo and hold short of Juliet.
Romeo Short, Juliet American 1722.
Everything's American here.
Yeah.
Do you have a preference while you're taxiing with the reversers, if you usually deploy the left one or the right one? The left one doesn't get too much exhaust gases into the cabin, right?
That's correct.
And 1722, you can make the left turn on Juliet, just pull in behind the 73 if you can.
Romeo Juliet behind 73 American 1722.
Looks like that was a nice runway at one time.
Yeah. Alright, come on. Or tower.
Yep.
You.
Boy 3457 short of 18 left, ready for departure.
Boy 3457 Charlotte Tower, roger.
He beat us.
Yeah.
Good thing we're not in a rush.
It's neat. I'd like to go there sometime.
Oh, that's a museum?
Yeah.
Nice.
You can go all the way to the whole trip.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, it's the ILS one. My bad.
Ever 251 Foxtrot Tango Charlotte Tower, runway 18 left, line up and wait.
Line up away, 18 left, 251 Fox Tango.
Hey, lineup checks.
You got it.
Final clear.
Yep, clear on the right.
Perfect. Clear on the left.
Charlotte Tower, good afternoon, November 541 Zulu on the visual 18 left.
November 541 Zulu, Charlotte Tower, good afternoon. Traffic departs prior to arrival, wind 1605, runway 18 left, clear to land.
Okay, parking
Land,
brake
18 left.
leads are set, probes are on, aircraft lights are on, gas is checked and boxed, runway heading 18 left, looks good.
November 1 Foxtrot Tango, wind 1605, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
18 left, clear for takeoff. 251 Fox Tango.
3457
Lineup's
Charlotte Tower,
complete, we're
runway
ready.
left line for weight,
Perfect.
traffic on a 6-mile final.
18 left, line up void, envoy 3457.
Thrust set.
Okay, power's achieved, airspeed's live, both sides. 80 knots.
Correct.
V1, rotate. Pause rate.
Gear up.
Runway 3457, fly heading 175, wind 1505, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Fly heading of
Thank you. And then we'll change
175,
200.
runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, envoy 3457.
400 feet.
Flaps up. And climbing 8,000, 1283. After takeoff checklist, please.
November 1 Foxtrot Tango, turn left, heading 140.
Left 140, 1 Fox Tango.
140 and 250 on the speed,
November 1
please.
Foxtrot Tango, contact departure on 124.0. We'll see y'all later.
240, we'll see you. 1 Fox Tango.
Direct Coffee, American. Up to 16,000, American 716.
Okay, 140.
Departure Challenger, November 251 Foxtrot Tango is 5,000, climbing 8,000, heading 140.
251 Foxtrot Tango, Charlotte departure ready to contact.
And autopilot on. Thank you.
Okay, 2,000 feet to
Number
go.
1 Foxtrot Tango, turn left heading 100.
100, 1 Fox Tango.
Roger, envoy
100.
3457, 2,200, climbing 8,000, heading 175.
Envoy 3457, Charlotte departure ready to contact.
1 to go.
Yeah, 1 to go. Make sure you're 1,500 feet a minute or less.
You got it.
Perfect. Alright, gears up, flaps are up. Plane lights out, hydraulics auto, AEI is
Number 1
off.
Foxtrot Tango, turn left heading 050.
Left 050, 1 Fox Tango.
And CAS is unboxed.
Yep.
After
5171,
takeoff complete.
contact Columbia approach.
Bomb thrust levers out of takeoff.
Yep.
Bomb complete.
And you can already swap the plates and get rid of the APU.
Number 1 Foxtrot Tango, climb, maintain 6000 and turn right heading 36. Correct, turn left heading 360.
16,000, left 360, 1 Fox Tango.
Number 3457, clear
Okay,
direct to
16,000, 360.
Direct icons, envoy 3457.
American 716 Heavy, contact the land center on 133.15. Good night.
13315, American 716, good day.
And 10,000.
Number 1 Foxtrot Tango, clear direct Weasel.
Direct Weasel, 1 Fox Tango.
Envoy
Looks good.
3457, climb, maintain 16,000.
Nav's available.
Nav is engaged.
Envoy 3457.
And accelerating 280.
Got the APU.
Looks good.
Okay, pressurization was good. Seatbelt signs not used. APU and bleeds are swapped and off.
Copy that.
10 checks complete. Transition to go.
2936, 2.5,
All right.
climbing 8,000.
American 2936, Charles departure, ready to contact.
One to go.
Copy that.
Number 1 Foxtrot Tango, contact land center 134.55. Good day.
3455, good day, 1 Fox Tango.
American 2936 for direct icon.
Direct icon, American 2930.
What's number to set your 2 o'clock and about 80 miles ahead.
Land Center, Challenger November 251 Foxtrot Tango, 16,000.
Got multiple calls. First go with 5892 Atlanta Center, Roger. Call me maintain flight local discharge. You can maintain 17,000. Nashville altimeter 29901. What's on?
Yeah, Challenger November 251 Foxtrot Tango, level 16.
November 251 Foxtrot Tango, Atlanta Center, Roger. Clear direct to Bobcat. Call me maintain flight level 230 and delete speed.
Direct Bobcat 230, delete the speeds, 1 Fox Tango.
25155, contact Atlanta Center 132.907.
Look good?
132.97,
Okay.
we're shake 5159.
I had another call. Who's that?
See Bobcat 230 and
Alpha
delete the
3388,
speeds.
Atlanta Center, Roger. Call me maintain flight level 230, normal speed. American 1589, descending via the Parker 4 landing south. 1589, contact shoulder approach 125.35. November 6, November Golf, to maintain 1000. November 17 uniform, Charlie turn 15
And
degrees.
transition.
Alright, 2s and 9s set right. Center.
428,
Left.
via still 4 landing south.
Lights are out.
900, 800.
All right.